Hello everyone. 5 years back, Power BI got released, the first version, and at that time, one of the idea was that people will be able to create visualization in 5 minutes. So data to discovery in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes. So what we are going to do today is we are going to test whether we will be able to do the same thing in 5 minutes. So I'm going to take up this challenge to create data to discovery in 5 minutes, and I have my sales data, which is my demo sales data, which I have, which is in which I have this sales table. I have my geography table, customer table, and item table, and I'm trying to configure this data within 5 minutes. So let me do one thing. Let me open my Power BI. My Power BI is on now, and let me start now whether I will be able to get the data discovery in 5 minutes or not. Let's start. So get data, first step, Excel, and I have it in my templates. This is my data. I'll take all four tables, just quick look at it. Seems everything load. I'm not going to do any transformation on this because this data is particularly pretty good. This is my demo data. Let it load. So within a minute we are almost done with the loading of the data, and I'm going to go directly to the model tab to check my relationships if they are created correctly or not. So item should be connected with sales, and this join I don't need because I'm going to delete this join, and I'm going to make this join as active. So I'm going to call it many to one single direction, and active it's correct. The next thing which I'm going to do is I'm going to create a date table. So I go to this tab and I say new table, and I'm going to call it date, and so we have a simple approach. I'm just going to create a calendar from 2017 till today. Okay, I'm ready with my date calendar. So I'm going to create few new fields because I need month, year, and all those. So month, year, format, date, and I'm going to get mmm hyphen y. Okay, this is created. For this we need a sort column. We are going to create another column which is the month year sort column because we need correct sorting. So month year sort, and how it's going to sort y, and this is the way how we sort. And then let's take year also. We need one more column which is year, and then we are done with our date table. Okay, fine. So I'm going to make this as sortable on month year sort. So I'm done. Now 2.5 minutes has already been passed, and I'm done with my data modeling. A few more steps left out. I'm going to make it as a date table, mark it as a date table. Good, we are done. Relationship. I have two dates. I'm going to join with only one date. That's the sales date. I have joined with this. Should be one to many. Done. Let us save this file, and we call it Power BI 5 minutes. So almost 3 minutes have passed, and I'm done with my basic setup. I'm going to create visualization. So I have geography, so I'm having states. I'm going to click on it. Power BI will understand this one is there. I'm going to create one sales measure first of all, and to create sales measure I need to do some transformation. It's not going to create it easily, so I need few formulas. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly create a new column. Okay, so I'm going to call it gross sales, which is my quantity multiply by price. So I got my gross sales. I'm giving discount on that, and I have discount percentage. So my discount amount, and again it is gross sales star discount percentage and divide by 100. Let's see how much it comes out. Okay, seems correct. Net sales, and this is the measure I'm going to use. So I'm going to say gross sales minus discount amount is my net sales. Let's see what it is. And we go back to visualization, we create a new measure, and we are going to call it sales is equals to sum of net sales. Okay, and what we are going to do is we are going to put this is on size. Okay, well done. So our first graph is ready. We are going to have a month year trend. So I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to put a line chart. I'm going to put month here onto that line chart. I'm going to put sales. I'm done with my 5 minutes, so I'm continuing. Let's see how much time does it take to create this page. I'm going to have the sales out here, and I'm going to have brand wise sales. And so I taken brand, I put it here is a new one, and I have this chart, and I'm again going to take sales on that. And let's have one more visual, which is basically we are going to have category wise. So I drag category out here, and I'm going to have sales again, and we make it pie chart, save it. So exactly in 6 minutes I'm able to do it. We have to create some complex formula. So yes, we can reach data through visualization or data to discovery within 5 minutes. That's really powerful, that's really easy. Hope you guys will also go ahead and try this out. Let us see whether you are able to achieve the same in 5 minutes or not.